So if the minister tried to tell people stop listening to truly bad music, when the minister should try to bring some proposals to deal with the violence in schools. How are you dealing with that in schools? How is it truly bad music? How many of the thousands in those schools listen to truly bad music? Well, minister must have listened to it too, I'm sure. Otherwise, minister could not comment on the music. Must have listened to it as well. I remember when I used to come home and play Bob Marley, my parents vexed with me, don't play that music. That was the music of the times. At that time, that was long over before some of you were not born. Don't play that music. Calypso was the same.
Yeah, you couldn't listen.
You couldn't listen to Kman and Calypso. That was the criminals, badger and bad people. All them pan up in the hill is badger and criminals. So let not your failure to deal with a crime situation push you into directions that you don't really and should not really go. Don't go there. Don't go there.
Like a fire pit, you know it. When we talk up the place, we no spare man. But it's up, pussy, Terrell and Kman. Show one shot on our face like real. But we give the thing statement. Come now, do excited right now. I'm the fucking Kman. I'm the kid girl. Kman. You understand? Yeah. You just pull on my, let me play my song now, baby. You understand? Pull on now.
But not lie. It's the youth here. Plumpy Boss. The man sounds so retarded. Me not try knock retarded people, but this youth right here, so him need to go our slow school. You can't tell the boy I can't read. Seeing retarded you fuck. Prezi for send him go a bumbuckler school. Cause anytime Plumpy Boss open him mouth, it go right through me. It no matter if me there Trinidad, me coulda dey in the Antarctica, in the prison where them put Valensky to rascal. That boy, anytime him open him mouth, it drives me crazy. Just listen to this.
Like a fire pit, you know it. When we talk up the place, we no spare man. But it's up, pussy, Terrell and Kman. Show one shot on our face like real. But we give the thing statement. Come now, do excited right now. I'm the fucking Kman. I'm the kid girl. Kman. You understand? Yeah. You just pull on my, let me play my song now, baby. You understand? Pull on now. Check out when they talk about the dog. I don't want fuck man like a no common sense.
That is Plumpy Boss, and you hear how he was dissing Kman. So my thing is, if they're documenting Kman 6, that this is what the gang unit say now. If they're documenting Kman 6, they must be documenting Plumpy Boss. Now Plumpy, me do the video for you, I'ma mention Medz Boss. I'ma say, listen, how come Medz Boss and Plumpy Boss them in a gang thing, and the police them is not going for them? Now, we all know that Medz Boss was missing for a week and people were looking for him and them couldn't find him, but he was in police lockup because the gang squad, they went and they picked him up and they charged him for gang affiliation. Same thing they charged Kman 6 with. So the police then, they're moving slower on the 7 crew but they're still moving on them. Now, this guy here, Plumpy Boss. Now, you guys hear what Camilla said at the beginning of this video. I didn't get a chance to address it. I jumped right into the Plumpy Boss and then the Medz Boss thing. But I do agree with her that the music, it's a reflection of our community, but at the same time, a lot of kids are getting influenced by it. So it's a two-step agitating factor that's affecting the music situation. Cause you hear what she said? She used to play Bob Marley and her parents used to tell her don't play those kind of music. And even the guys them who used to do the Calypso and the steel pan up in the hills, our father and our parents basically say, yo, a waste man them up there play and make up nice and people. Don't listen to them, ray. So there was always a fight when it come to reggae music. You understand? Whether it's in Trinidad or Jamaica. So Camilla is right. So the onus is on we the people. We have to police with kids, and we have to police ourselves, or we carry ourselves on what we're doing and stuff like that. So with that said, I didn't know Camilla was such a hardcore. You understand? I kinda like her. Yeah, I like her speech. And I like what she's saying. She's saying, let's deal with the crime situation and leave it out of the music. And what's funny, Mr. Rowley, the Honorable Rowley, he was saying the same thing too. Do not ban Trinidad, because if you ban it, it's just gonna make it more appealing to the younger kids and appealing to people. So the best thing to do is to try and work with it and work out the kinks. And that's what I have to say about this. With that said, let's go back into the Medz Boss saga. Plumpy Boss, are you a Medz Boss partner? Are you more brawling than Medz Boss? So it kinda surprising they didn't go for you first before them went for Medz Boss. Because I'm quite sure you, Mr. Plumpy Boss, you have been documented. So Mr. Medz Boss, you get a $40,000 bill. May I wonder how them pre you? Because they must have some strong evidence to come get you and don't get Plumpy. Or maybe you're a told pan Plumpy. But I do know that Plumpy is gonna be next. He get sucked off over a week ago. Finally get bail. Because that's where it's been. I also noticed that when it comes to Medz Boss and the 7, because to be honest, I'm gonna sound crazy right now, but I swear to God I thought this dude was a Muslim. I swear to God. So I thought he was playing the two sides, but then after a friend of mine pricked me long time and tell me that no, he's not Muslim, he's with the 7 gang, and him kinda try to stay balanced. But apparently the police them a watch them. So if them get Medz Boss, you know so Plumpy is next. And like in the video I did for Plumpy, I said, Plumpy Boss, you still have time to break away from Prezi and the 7 gang. I know you want better. So listen, I just see a message to Medz Boss, you know. Medz Boss, you still have time to break away from Prezi and the 7 gang. You understand? You'll be better off. So, this is a thing where them have to think about Medz Boss. But yo, Medz Boss, we know them did ever come get you. Somebody told me that there was something brewing. You understand? And it seems like it's coming to pass. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Peace. I'm out, yo.